In this video, we're going to cover 2D projections of 3D objects, which just means taking a 3D object like this one and considering what it would look like from different views or perspectives. The three 2D projections that you need to understand are the front elevation, the side elevation, and the plan. The front elevation is just what the object would look like if you're looking at it from the front. So if you imagine that you were looking at it from this angle, you would only be able to see these four faces that are directly facing you, and so you basically just see a block like this. Meanwhile, the side elevation is the same idea, but this time it's the view you'd have by looking at it from the side over here. So this time you'll just see these three squares, and so it would look like this. The last view is the plan, which is a bit different because this time it's as though you're taking a bird's eye view looking at it from above, so you're only going to see the squares facing directly upwards, which will be these four squares. So it'll look like this. Let's have a go at another one, and feel free to pause the video and have a go yourself. So for this question, you need to do basically the same thing. You need to draw out the front elevation, the side elevation, and the plan view of the shape they've given us. Notice, though, that this time the front view is labeled as this side, and they'll always do this in the exam, so you know which side is which. We can then figure out that this side must be the side view. And as always, this view from above will be the plan. So from the front, you'll see these five squares, which we have is a 2D projection like this. Meanwhile, from the side, you'll be able to see all of these 9 squares. And so the 2D projection would just be a 3x3 set of blocks like this. And lastly, from above, you'd be able to see these 9 squares. So the 2D plan projection would actually look exactly the same as the side elevation. Before we finish, I just want to show you the 2D projections of a couple of common shapes, the square-based pyramid and the cylinder. For the square-based pyramid, the front and side elevations will both be the same triangle shape, whereas the plan view will be a square with 2 diagonal lines across it to represent the 4 edges that rise up out of the pyramid. Meanwhile, for the cylinder, its front and side elevations will be rectangles, while its plan view will be a circle. Anyway, I hope all of that makes sense. If you have any questions, then let us know down in the comments.